Welcome. In front of me is a General Mobile GM5 Plus D, and I'll show you how to go through the setup process of the device. So once you get the phone, you will be presented with this screen, and from here you get to choose the language. So you have the list of languages. I'm just gonna stick with the one that it's already on, which is English, and I'm gonna tap on Let's Go. So then you can insert a SIM card, memory card as well, once you add it, but I'm gonna skip it. Then you get to choose either if you want to copy the data or set up as new. I'm gonna choose set up as new device. If there was a previously connected Google account, it might actually ask you to input verify the account, but so I'm gonna choose the network, and now it starts scanning for updates and other stuff, so give it a second. And as you can see, and I need to actually verify. This will not be the case if the account either was logged out or it wasn't actually connected to a Google account. There are also ways to skip it if you need to do that. On the website you can actually find ways to bypass this. So I'm just gonna put in the previous one, so it is and I'm gonna put in the password, so let me do that. Okay, and once I pressed to go on, to log in, I get presented with this, which asks me if I want to use this account again as a main account. You can just tap on no and it won't be logged in. So if I do a reset again, I won't have to put that account once more to verify. And if you select no, you get to choose a new account, but I just want to keep this empty, so once it's reset I don't need to verify anything. So let's tap on skip. You can put your Google account by any means, so it's how you like to set it up. Then you get to choose the name. You can actually skip that as well if you don't want to put any name. Then you get to choose some kind of security way. You can choose between pattern, PIN, password, or none. For instance, gonna use pattern. Tap on yes and draw a desired pattern. Tap continue and redraw the same pattern again. Confirm. You have Google services you need to agree to, and you can actually select certain things that you would like to have off or on. As you can see, send system data, you might want to turn it on for privacy reasons, and other things like location and other stuff, but because I don't really mind, I'm just gonna keep them all on. And as you can see, all set, so let's click on it. And location, whatever, and the device is set. So that is how you basically go through the setup. It's fairly self-explanatory, but if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thank you for watching.